top rack is completely full. Multi-speed adults, mountain bikes, double suspension, and I don't see any disc brakes anywhere. I haven't seen any disc brakes on display. Maybe we'll try to put some disc brakes in one of these slots here. This is a mod slot specific for the name brand. See, this mod right here, this digital pricing has a showing of discount. That's what I mean by being able to digitally show you information immediate. And so we'll find out which bike this would be and see if we have one in the back room. '26 Mel Rock Creek. I'll see if we have one of those in the back room. But pretty much this bike rack looks good. Let's get some purchases and let's get some built for purchases, and we should have a great day. Well, it definitely looked like I've been missed. What tornado came through here? Got to reorganize these bikes so that we'll know what we have to select from. That's the ideal of organizing your mind to have a successful day. So I'm gonna get on this. I get that into the trash baler. Let's get these reshelved if possible, and can have a good day. Preferably we can get them back matched like this. Easy Snap 20 display looks full. 20s, no tools required. Front, which is covered. Very good price display. For those. 24s should be down in this area there, down in there. So we'll get access to that. And here is the Rock Creek that's on sale right now. So we'll definitely get that built. So let's get this reorganized and have a great day in assembly. First priority as an assembly in a retail location is contact the manager, see what, or a coach or a lead, and see what bike they would want to have assembled. Hopefully they have them picked out for me already. If not, then we'll just match what we saw on the video and get those bikes assembled. We got to do the work of 5 people with the shortage that we're having nowadays, with the soon to be more layoffs. And so we're in a position where if you are able to do multiple things and being considerate for each other, that's the best route to go. So let me contact the manager, let him know what I observed, part of the assembly duties rather, and then clean this up and we're good to go. All right, now we open our mind for clarity. Home away from home. We got all the bikes stacked up. Just by a look and glance, we can still see what's available. And so a cluttered mind is a waste of time. First step of organization is cleanliness. And so I'm very happy. I think there's going to be an audible today. The bike rack looks pretty much well supplied, and I think we're going to have an audible of maybe some patio decks, patio furnishing for outdoor decks, and maybe some barbecue grills. But the bike assembly area is ready to go. Let's have a great day. Organization of your mind guarantees you a great day. Okay, staging, multiple grill assembly. Keep your boxes organized If you need to throw anything away, just leave an access for cardboards. I have all my legs in one pile, all my base stands in another, all my grill in another. I have all of the grills stacked up with a separator in between. That way nothing gets scratched. Weber Spangles, collector's item. And so let's get these assembled in a quiet location, less area traveled with safety cones out. All right, let's get it done. It is done and complete. Instead of 3, we got 4 out on display. Quick, fast, in a hurry. Minimum tools required. Matter of fact, no tools required. It comes with assembly tools. Now we're going to do these chairs here. They're starting to warm up. I think I might come outside. It was 61 degrees. Got 8 of these to do. And let's get them done. A day in assembly. Just doing a quick little midday update. My morning quarter is done. Assembling these rocker chairs. They're home and garden patio rocking chairs, what they're called. And so I'm just basically rotating, staying out of everyone's way. Safety cones are out, separating my garbage. These are the ones that I've done already. These are the ones that need to be done. I'll pull those out as I do them. This top box will go and replace a new box, and I'll just assemble up top. Quick, efficient, no liabilities, and out of the way. Midday report. It's got 8 of them to assemble. Basically, you put your seat on first, lay it flat, put your seat on, then put your top on, put your backing on, secure them down with your bolts. And utilize all your space. And pretty much that's it. A day in assembly. Okay, now that I got the seat on and the back on, 1 bolt, 2 bolt, 1 and 2 bolts. Now I'm gonna take this other rocker right here, put it over the top, use gravity as my friend, and that'll be chair number 5. And I'll take this empty box, pull it down, take a new box, put it on top, utilizing empty space. The idea is to think smarter, not harder, and standing up for this type of a assembly works best for me. I can do it sitting down or having it on the ground, but this came to be a better idea. Of course, having your cones out, no liabilities. I use magnets to keep track of my tools, my bolts. And that's pretty much it. Takes about 4 minutes to put these chairs together. Okay, now that one's complete, I've taken the box and I just slid it in place of the one that I'm going to do next. And I'll just take this box, put it on top, which this builds me a table, and then I'll just safely assemble it right there, out of the way of everyone. Earlier this morning it was 66 degrees with a wind chill, which brought it down to about 61 degrees. And so I decided to use the store area in a retail setting to stay warm, which your hands cramp up when you're in the cold. So I'm always finding the easiest, quickest way. Think smarter, not harder. Just like that. And I'll just assemble it right out of the box and put it on top. And there's a pictorial. That easy, that simple. Think smarter, not harder. A day in assembly. My journey of retail assembly fulfillment work. I would be 6 months old in this industry. So far I like it. From doing bikes, barbecue grills, patio furnishing. Fun work. The conclusion of our day. 4 grills, Spangle, Weber Spangle, collector's items. 9 patio. 9 patio. Sun is out now. Beautiful day. Not this morning. It was chilly. Having a wonderful day. 2 over here. Now about the garbage. Gotta stack the garbage up. Safety. Perfect non-liable day. Gotta stack it up here. What I've done here to make it safe to travel is I taped it from the top to the bottom, all 4 corners. So when you move this pallet, nothing's gonna fall apart. Safety first, always. Doesn't look like there's no tape on there, huh? But there's tape on all 4 corners. Nothing's gonna budge. Safety first, see? See how that? And then take the back route to the back room. Take the owl area to the back room. Don't go down where the people are at. Take the outside path to the back room. A day in assembly. Safety first, always safety first. Like I said, teamwork. Everything is clean. We started this morning right here. Everything's still looking in order. And now we're ending our day right here. Take this over to the baler. Let them compress this. And they'll be much happy. Consideration. Find out where they want it because we're receiving stock. Don't need no extra stuff back here. So I'm gonna find out where they want it. Nice and clean. There's my baler. Have a great day. All right, now we open our mind for clarity. Home away from home. We got all the bikes stacked up. Just by a look and glance, we can still see what's available. And so, a cluttered mind is a waste of time. First step of organization is cleanliness. And so, I'm very happy